Vetri Thalivar Thalapathi's visual will end this DMK monarchical rule. Vetri Thalivar Thalapathi's whistle sounds in favor of democracy to end this monarchical rule in Tamil Nadu in upcoming 2026 election. From child to elders, whistle is a symbol of joy and expressing of their happiness. So this is a people's symbol. Whistle in the hand of a guardian will safeguard the people, in the hands of a whistleblower to expose scams, in the hands of referee to out foul play. So it's a very happy moment. We share happiness with you, and also people of Tamil Nadu celebrating in celebrating mood. This is the first step to sweep 2026 election. Very happy moment.
So even symbol has been across Tamil Nadu, TVK cadres is celebrating this incident. And how do you make it?
Yes, including TVK cadres, whole Tamil Nadu, people of Tamil Nadu celebrating. As I already told that TVK's whistle will sound in favor of democracy, good governance, safety to women. In simple word, TVK's whistle is a guardian of Tamil people and their well-being.
So now in this time also, in this victorial time, on Chanakyaa movie also yet to be against all.
So it's another thing. We will stick to a symbol issue.
But other parties also been involved. NDA tomorrow. The Prime Minister also coming to Tamil Nadu.